Introducing the PTI CF-CBT, the next evolution in bin transfer technology, engineered for unparalleled performance and versatility. At the heart of the CF-CBT is the innovative double cradle chain, designed for superior stability and precision handling of every bin. With a remarkable throughput capacity of up to 180 bins per hour, the CF-CBT ensures your operations stay ahead of demand. Crafted with a stainless steel sanitary design, the CF-CBT meets the highest standards for cleanliness, making it ideal for sensitive environments. The adjustable bin cradle offers versatility, easily adapting to multiple bin heights, ensuring a seamless process for any workflow. Its compact design, enhanced by the innovative Forward Empty Bin Ejection system, allows the CF-CBT to fit effortlessly into existing facilities, streamlining your operations by efficiently removing empty bins. The PTI CF-CBT, precision, performance, and versatility, all in one compact, efficient system. Revolutionize your bin handling process today.